So now let's start with application integration or application onboarding. Each and every organization, they will name different terms. So some people will say it's an application integration. Some people will say it's an application onboarding. For enabling SSO, I'm saying, if you want to enable SSO for any applications in Okta, they will say different terms. Even they will say SSO enablement also. Likewise, it will be in different terms, they will call it. That's why we have mentioned application integration / onboarding. And there are two types of application integrations that you can do from Okta. The first one is custom application, which is okay. I will first come with Okta Integration Network application, so OIN, which is Okta Integration Network application. We have seen there will be some sort of predefined applications available that has been shared by Okta to us. So what they will do is they will be having some predefined configurations which will be defined in that application template so that you can just make use of it. Just like that. Go, select that application, give your organization's details and click Save. That's it. So that is Okta Integration Network available application integration. So, basically, when any of the user or any of the team that they are reaching you for application integration, what you will do is, the first thing is you should go with the OIN application availability check or not. You have to check that first. Let's say, for example, there is a team called Zoom. They are introducing Zoom application new to your organization. Zoom team will come and ask you, hey, Okta team, I want to integrate my Zoom application, a Zoom application, with Okta for single sign-on. Can you help us with that? Like that. They will come and ask you. So what? The first thing that you have to do is you have to search that Zoom application in that Okta Integration Network, whether that is available or not. If it is available, it is very easy for you guys to integrate it. If it is not available, then you have to go with the second option, which is custom application integration. So the first and foremost thing is, if they reach you, you need to search that application in Okta Integration Network. Right now you have found that there is an application that is available in Okta Integration Network for the application that they are saying for integration that they came. I want that application to be selected for some specific SSO protocols. For example, some application supports multiple protocols, SAM, OpenID, Connect, WS Federation. Multiple protocols will be supported by that template in Okta Integration Network. But whatever our organization, take an instance took an instance, for example, Zoom instance that will support only SAM means you have to go ahead with the SAM. Okay, so that part you need to check with the application team. I can able to see your application is available in our Okta Integration Network. So which methodology you are going to use for SSO protocol that you need to ask the application team. They will say, okay, I will go with SAM. I don't want any OpenID Connect or OAuth or any other flow. I just go with the SAM itself. Because my instance also supports SAM. And as an admin team, I know SAM how to integrate from the Zoom side. So they will say like that, okay, then you have to select that SAM. I'll tell you how to select those things. That is fine. So these are the two actions that you need to search in the beginning itself before integrating an app. Now let's say, for example, whatever the application, that the app team is saying that application is not available in Okta, then you need to go with the custom app integration. That we will see how to integrate a custom app application. And what are all the protocols that is available for that custom app? That we will see. For example, if it is an Okta integrated network, you will be having SAML WS Federation. That kind of different protocols. But in a custom application you will be given only the limited options. So we will see what are all the options that is given for you, for a protocol's options that is given. Now, let's say, an application team came. They want to integrate a Zoom application with your instance, with Okta instance. Go to directory. Sorry, not directory. Applications, go to Applications. Under Applications you can see an Application tab. In the top you can see two buttons, Create App Integration and Browse App Catalog. Create App Integration is nothing but a custom app integration. If you click this button, you will be manually asked whether you need to go with OpenID or you need to go with SAML or you need to go with API. So, whatever it is, it will ask you a question. Now, before that, we need to search. Before that, we need to search in the catalog, which is Okta Integration Network catalog. Going there, and I'm searching that app name here. Let's type Zoom. Zoom is already available. Click the Zoom. So here I can see. These are all the protocols that this Zoom application support. You can select SAML, you can select workflow connectors or you can select SIM. I'll go with SAML right now. No other thing that I'm looking for. So let's select SAML. Click Add Integration. You need to enter the subdomain, so here you can see. If your Zoom URL looks like this, https acmezumis. It looks like this, okay. Let me show you this. So here you can see, this is the URL that has been given to by our training center. Okay. Our 06 WebZooms. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to just copy this value alone. Our 06 web alone. Okay. That's what they are saying even in this instructions also. If your URL is https acmezumis, you need to select only this acme. Here you can see acme. Okay. So let's mention something like that. I'm just mentioning something like SAP. Okay. My organization's URL is like https sapzumis. Okay, that's my organization's URL. I'm just mentioning only SAP here, because it is mentioned as an instruction. Okay. Click Done. That's it. You don't need to do any other changes. Okay. If you go here, your application has been integrated. And here you can see it is integrated with SAML already. Okay. If you want to add any groups, any user attributes, you can do it. No other changes required. You can directly click this SAML instruction. View SAML instruction, open this. And you need to share this file to them, to the Zoom application team. Okay. In any format like You can copy and save this, or you can convert this as a PDF. Okay. You can do anything and you can share this too. So here you can see, you will get an option to update at the Zoom site. What are all the things that they need to move, that they need to update at the Zoom end? If you see here, log into your Zoom account, go to Advanced Single Sign-On Settings, click Enable Single Sign-On and copy this URL. Copy this URL, paste there. Copy the sign-out URL, paste there.